What does client onboarding, best in class client onboarding, look like and feel like, both for the consumer and for the commercial client? And what does that mean to you as a financial institution if you're able to deliver best in class client onboarding?
Everywhere, even outside of banking and financial institutions, the consumer experience needs to be extremely frictionless. It has to be something with the element of speed and clarity. So here's what every institution should ask themselves if they're doing anything for the end consumer digitally. Does it have speed, and is there clarity to it, even out throughout the process? Speed without clarity creates confusion, and no one's got patience for that. And a lot of clarity without speed, people don't have patience for that either. So I think this is where simplicity comes into play. Today, much different than 20 years ago. It's about simplicity. And I've been around for a long time, and it was always about benefits and features, which creates complexity. And right now, consumers honestly just don't care. So 20 years ago, you could go to a financial institution. There were 5 to 10 different checking accounts, and you had to choose. Today, you don't really only need one, frankly, right? And then the logic within that will give the benefits that a consumer wants. So it comes down to speed and clarity. And I would recommend anybody watching this video to think through any retail e-commerce app, whatever industry that is, whether you're ordering food or a car or whatever the case is. If it's that easy and you like it that much, that is what you should take to you at work, and ask yourself the same thing, because consumers don't know the difference when they're on an app for a bank or ordering food or ordering a TV. It's all the same. They want that clarity and speed. It's frankly frictionless. So that's what I would say. For the commercial side, you'd have to bifurcate that even more from commercial clients and middle market clients, which have a whole different other set of preferences and needs, versus a small business owner. And a small business owner, you should take the same thoughts and ideas and parameters and experiences as a consumer to the small business. This is where in our industry, we have a big gap today. People are focused on the commercial client, which has a lot of hand-holding, which helps with some of the onboarding and experience, as well as what is left behind from a digital experience for the CFO or the owner of that company. And we have consumer, which we just talked about. The small business owner has complexity in terms of the paperwork from a legal perspective, but it hasn't been matched with the simplicity and speed in terms of a digital opening and servicing for them. And I know many institutions are working through that today. So I think about it in 3 buckets, of which the small business and consumer have a lot in common.